Are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. You can see here the few outlines for the fruit cherry, and we're going to put the colors here. So starting from the top one, let's see. As you know, the cherry is a round shaped fruit, little bit smaller. So fruit it doesn't that much bigger, and the color is red. The whole body is looks like a circular shape. So we are going to draw here multiple cherries, actually three of them. So I'm just putting the color for the first one. You can see the color being provided for the left side. Then I'm going to put the color for the other one on the right of it. Let's take the red color again and put the color here. The painting color which I am using here, it's the acrylic color Fevicryl. So acrylic color has a nice appearance. After we put the color or apply the color on the surface, it has a solid appearance. Awesome. And the other one, it's just in the bottom, just lie down. Okay, so with the brush I'm just drawing the outlines. Then I'm going to put the deep color again. So this is just having the outlines for the main fruit. Okay, again I'm taking the red color and applying it here, okay, on top of the previous colors. So sometimes the single color it may fade or it may blur in some cases. So in that case you have to put the color 2 times or 3 times. Okay, and the coloring is done for 3 of them. You can see all of them just looking very good, nice red appearance. Now let's take a little bit black color for the nice shade at the bottom. So just a few lines at the bottom and making it darker. Okay, so looks like a 3D. Sorry. All right, for the first one you can see the color. Moving to the next one and putting some black color to the borders. Okay, and finally the third one also we are putting the colors at the bottom. You can see it. Okay, so if you like you can put few dots to add up more texture to the body. Okay, and you can see this is the the connecting part with which one fruit is just connected to other one. Okay, so it looks like the branches of the trees, but not the actual branches, but these are the things which just keep the cherry all together. Okay, so at the connection points we are just putting few darker colors here. Appearance looks like darker. Okay, so this is it. So one branch is just going to the other ways or other directions. Okay, so we are just taking the white color to draw the reflections, and other stuffs. So it just looks like the 3D appearance. So just putting few white part on the top, you can see here, and a rack here at the bottom. Also same thing for the other one, the little one which is by the side. You can see the white parts, and also a rack here. This is the white rack, and for the other cherry here you can see some white parts and a rack which is just a little bit longer than the other one. And putting some colors within the the branches like this one. Okay, and also for the other one, let's take a little bit more color and putting it here on the side. Okay, that one, and also for the last one. So it just give it a 3D outlook. And at the connection point, just putting some few dots of whites, irregular pattern here at the connection points. So everything you see here, it looks like a cherry. And for the shadow, just we're putting few colors like very soft or little bit softer outlook. So if it's not possible with the water, then we're going to use the the crayon. Let's see. So crayon we're using for the shades, and here you can see, so on the left side few shades of each one. So this is how it looks like, it's on the ground. Also putting shades for this one too, just making the things a little bit realistic. So this is like the shades. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. See you in our next videos. If you like to see more, you can browse through the playlist and select drawings from our categories. We have thousands of drawings there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.